Another Toyota 4Runner video. My AC isn't working properly. It's apparently the blend door actuator. Mine right now is stuck on cold and I can't turn it off. I can only turn it up or to low.
It also makes a rat-a-tat-a-tat-a sound.
No heat, no off, just cold. And usually in Florida, that's fine. But I'm a little tiny person, I'm a big baby, and it's been below 60 this week. I'm not having it. I have to use a heated blanket every time I drive. It's crazy. So I'm gonna try to fix it. So it is on cold. If I try to turn it to hot, that is not cute. Alright, I am going to try to replace my blend door actuator, or I guess servo sub-assembly. So this is the new part, and this is the tool I gotta use. It's a little 90-degree boy, Phillips head. Comes with these other bits too. I got it from Harbor Freight. Battery low. Get in here and remove the screws. On the new one you can see where the screws would be, so I'm just gonna imaginize it and look for screws. But I can't do that with my camera in the way, so BRB. The one in the back was a pain in the butt, but I got it out eventually. So for the front one is the only one that's left. I'm gonna do. Oh, ready, Lucy, on this one. Okay. Done. Now this should, in theory, come off. Sorry for all the crazy camera angles. It's just very hard to do this with a tripod in my neck. So yeah, I'm gonna carefully take this out of the clip. Unclip this guy. Ta-dow. Now I wish I would have paid more attention to what I just did. But put this guy back in. Click it. There's no holder like that one had, but hopefully that's not detrimental. Now we just gotta we gotta put it back in and it should be good. Alright, after everything's switched out, cleaned up, moment of truth, see if that fixed it. Hey! No more clicky clicky. Woohoo!